a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 4.7 liter and just want to show you how to get it all set up and get it centered in order so you can get ready to put it on and not have any issues with steering right off the bat. So let me take all this packaging off and then I'll get it set up. And the next clip you'll see that it's set up, and then I'm going to show you how to get it centered. Okay, I got the rack and pinion all set up here, and I used a chalk pen here to mark everything. And how I'm going to do this is I've marked everything in 100%. So each line is 25%, and then each little dot is 5%. Okay? So how you'll do this is you'll be very careful not to mar this up here. This is the part that's going to go into the linkage that goes into the steering. So you want to make sure you don't mar that up. And just use a pair of vice grips, or you could use some sort of an adjustable plier. Anyway, just be careful with it. So what you do is get it all the way over to one side. The first step you want to do is count how many actual full turns you have when you go from one complete end to the other. Okay, so going all the way clockwise, so as you can see here, okay, one end's all the way out, one end's all the way in. Doesn't matter which way you go as long as you just do it right. Do it the way I'm showing you. So when you get it set up here, I've drawn a line on the shaft, and I've drawn a line right here for my reference when this is full to the counterclockwise to where you'll feel it stop. You shouldn't have to put a ton of pressure on it. You'll feel it stop, just gently turning it. So from this rest position here, you'll turn it one full turn. So that's 100%, 200%, 225, 250, 275. Right there. So it's at 275. So we know we need to split it approximately 135, 7. Okay, so we'll do 137. So going back here to start again, this is just how I've been doing it. We'll start again. So all the way clockwise to where we first started. Okay, so we'll go one full turn. That's 100%. Okay, this is 125. Okay, that's 130. And that's 135. So the second dot, and then you could just go just a hair more. And that should probably be 137. And that should be exactly where you need to have it lined up. Then you can make a mark. Just put one dot right here, and you'll know that that references with your one dot here. So you could go and make a dot right here and make a dot right there. And that way you know that that's split right in the middle.